latex. Alright. I'ma try. I'ma try not to kick his ass off this bed. Okay. I have a headache. Listen to that. He sound like a wild boar. A wild boar. This is the stuff I have to go through at night. This is the stuff I have to go through at night. Oh my God. Wow. All right. Okay. I'll try. Talk to you guys soon. Pray for me. Okay? Pray for me and him. Pray that I don't knock his behind off his bed. No, really. Listen to that. Oh. Bye, guys. Bye. Wow.